Hello peoples, I'm Dominic from Contemplative Chaos, and today we're going to make an air rifle. I first got this idea by watching Max Imagination's video on how to make an air rifle, and really wanted to make one of my own. Okay, let's get started. We have a ball valve, 6 of these little pieces of PVC pipe. They're 2 inches long. 6 of those. Then 1/2 inch PVC pipe, 4 inches long. One of those. 2 elbow joints. 1 Schroeder valve, I believe. You can either buy these or take them from a bicycle tire. And then we have these little T-joints. Well, I need 2 to 3 of those. We have electrical tape, zip ties, 3. Then we have soda bottles. Alright. Let's start with the dry fit of everything. Truth is, you can make it look like anything you want, but our design looks like this. The two 2-liter bottles are in the rear with a small bottle in the middle. Verify that everything dry fits before gluing it up. The next of the soda bottles fit rather snugly over the 1/2 inch PVC pipe. When everything fits well, disassemble it and start gluing it up. Starting with the primer, brush the applicator around the joint and let it dry for 15 seconds. Prime both the male and female ends. After that, apply the PVC glue in the same manner and then push the male end into the female end and hold for 15 seconds. It sets fast. Then do the same to all of the joints. Yeah, there we go.
Count 15.
With the soda bottles, we learned the hard way that PVC adhesive is not for PET plastic, the stuff that soda bottles are made of. We found that epoxy works the best for this. Remember to drill a hole slightly larger than the size of the Schrader valve in the small bottle. Apply adhesive to the valve and put it through the hole. When that cures, apply the epoxy to the inside of the soda bottle, attaching to the ends of the PVC tubes, and flip upside down so the epoxy settles in the neck before hardening. Barrel, which could be, stick that in. This one we don't need to glue because there's really no pressure on the barrel. It's really it's just over here. There we go, guys. We have our air rifle. Woo. And so just to fill it up, all you need to do is just grab your air compressor and the attachment that goes onto this. You just fill it up. I don't know how much pressure this can hold. I think it's like 80 to 100 psi maybe. I'm not completely sure. But yeah, let's give this a test.
Dommy's
second shot or third shot.
This is just a Nerf dart.
Whoa! That one went way over there.
That's better than any Nerf. Okay, so we're gonna shoot carrots here.
You got a whole bunch of free carrots.
Yep.
You know what? Flip it around so it's pointy in first. Yep, and then you can just jam it down there. Yeah, that way it'll... There you go, perfect. And we're gonna shoot at that target right over there. So, fire. Go. That went a little further.
Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you liked it, please click like and subscribe. Have a great day!